At the end of your college career, you have to complete a senior project, and a group of mechanical engineering students at YSU helped a 13-year-old border collie once they completed their project. 27 First News reporter Christina Mullen met the students, and she has that story for us this morning. Christina.
Good morning, Abby. Her name is Shelby. She's a 13-year-old border collie who has many health issues that make it so hard for her to walk. She has arthritis and some of her legs are deformed. So when she does walk, she drags her paws on the ground, so they're very sore. But thanks to a group of YSU students, Shelby's walking with some comfort.
Shelby, you can put your boot on.
It's that little Rubbermaid brace that is giving Shelby some comfort when she walks.
And it's more a matter of just keeping her stable so she's not tripping and falling, and this brace does that.
Lori Whitkugel is Shelby's owner, and she's an administrative assistant at YSU. She thought of the idea to make Shelby this brace.
I happened to see a video of a dog with 3D printed prosthetic legs. So I emailed Brett Connor, in charge of our additive manufacturing area here, and said, hey, if you ever want to do something like this, I volunteer my Shelby.
I thought it was a great idea, and honestly, Dr. Guha and myself thought that this was achievable, that the students could actually do that.
And that's what they did with the help of a 3D printer. These students started working on Shelby's brace back in October.
It started off with a lot of research. I was surprised with the amount of research that we had to do for the project before we even started coming up with a design for Shelby's leg.
After weeks of research,
different types of braces that are available on the market now, some of the pros of those braces and some of the cons of them, and try and come up with our own concept.
It was time to design Shelby's brace. It took a couple tries. The first brace, they used plastic.
That ended up being too stiff of a material. It wasn't workable enough to take it, open it, and put it on the dog's leg, and it was just hard to get it on the dog.
And after some trial and error, they found the perfect material for the brace.
It has two different hardnesses. One of them, I would say, is along the lines of a croc material, that kind of spongy, soft material, and then the support parts are kind of like a tire rubber, a little bit more dense and harder.
It took 7 months to get the perfect design.
We now have a brace for Shelby to offer support on her most deformed leg.
A senior project that helped these students get their degree and helped this border collie enjoy her doggy life.
And it's all based on everything the students have done with researching. Their compassion, their dedication to this project has just been overwhelming.
Shelby still has a little bit of discomfort with all of the health issues she has. She's a 13-year-old border collie, but so far her vet says she'll be able to move along with a lot more comfort, all because these YSU students made her brace. In the studio, Christina Mullen, WKBN 27 First News.
Oh, good for Shelby. Thanks, Christina.